What's going on, guys? Britta here, and we are back with Free Code Camp, and we're learning how to build a balance sheet. We're learning CSS pseudo selectors by building a balance sheet. So we're on step 43. It says adding position sticky right here. Move the element into its own stack. To ensure your years element does not get hidden by different stacks, add a Z index. I'm going to add it underneath here. Z index property set to 999. And let's check our code. We've passed. All right, on to the next one. Style the text within your years element by creating a years span class selector. So years span class. I don't think that's right. Years span class. We'll see. Give your new selector a bold font with a width of font bold width 4.5 REM. I feel like I'm doing something wrong here. Yes. So this needs to be like that. Font weight. I knew it wasn't just font. Font weight. Text align property set to right. Where does it say to do that? Text align right. All right, there we go. Ask me later. You wrapped your tables in a container with the table wrap class. Create a selector for that class and give it a padding. So table wrap padding set to 0, 0.75 REM, 1.5 REM, and 0.75 REM. And let's see if I selected that correct. Yep, I thought so. It's dot table wrap. Okay, there we go. Before you start diving into the table itself, your span elements are currently bolded. Create a span not .sr only selector and give it the font weight normal. And it changed it to normal there. Rather than having to constantly double check you are not overwriting your earlier properties, you can use the important keyword to ensure these properties are always applied, regardless of order or specificity. Give each property in your span class SR only selector an important keyword. Each property, so how do I do that? Do not change any values. Do we just do this? Important. So yeah, it is afterwards. All right, border. I guess what we can do is just copy this here and paste. There we go. Now that you have added the important keyword, you can remove the not SR only from your span selector. Delete. Create a table selector to target your tables. So table border collapse set to collapse, which will allow cell borders to collapse into a single border instead of a border around each cell. Also set border property to 0 to hide the borders themselves. So the dot is not proper there. Okay. Ensure your table fills its container with a width property set to 100%, then position it relatively and give it a top margin of 3 REM. So top margin 3 REM. I think it's supposed to be margin top. Oh, I forgot to set the position. Yeah, I did this backwards. There should be margin top. Okay. Next, you need to style your caption elements to look more like headers. Create a table caption selector. Set the text to have a color of number EAF 1.3 EM, weight normal. If I could type, that'd be great. Weight normal. Your table caption should have a color. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, that's what I have, but I forgot to do that. And now we need a font size set to 1.3 EM. And this should be font weight. Now give the captions an absolute position. And shift them from top and how do I do that? Top property set to negative 2.25 REM and left 0.5 REM. Create a selector to target your TD elements within your table body. Give them a width to fill the viewport with a minimum and maximum of 4 REM. This approach ensures that the width is fixed, whereas setting width specifically would allow the elements to shrink to the container. Okay, so the selector should be T body. Oops. T body TD. Width set to 100 view width. Now where does the 4.4 REM come in place? Oh, min width. Oh, we have to do min and max. Now target the TH elements within your table body. So if we did that before, so T body, TH, and give them a width of the entire container less 12 REM. So width, T body selector should have a width set to calc 100% minus 12 REM. I don't think I need this here. Do I need spaces there? Okay. The attribute value selector targets any element that has an attribute with a specific value. Create a TR class total selector to target specifically your TR elements with the total class. So TR class total. Give it a bottom border 4 pix double 0A 0A 23. Make the font bold. Ah, I keep doing these backwards. Direction goes second. Wait, is that true? Is that true? Because I did top margin. And I think it's supposed to be margin top earlier. Where is it here, though? Yeah. So direction goes second. I gotta remember that. Alright, using the same selector syntax, target the TH elements. So TH class total. And align the text to the left. I don't think that's right. Padding of 0.5 rem, 0.25 rem, and 0.5 rem. I don't think this is correct. You should have a class or not TH. TR class total TH. Text align. Oh, I did it again. One day I'll learn. Okay. The key difference between TR class total and TR total is that the first will select TR elements where the only class is total. The second will select TR elements where the class includes total. In your TR total, in your case, TR.total will work. You can use the selector to target all TD elements within your .total rows. Align the text to the right and give them a padding. Alright, so TD.total. Text align right, padding. I have a feeling that I did something wrong with this. Yeah. TR.total and then TD. There we go. And my text align was right this time, the first time. Alright, the nth of type pseudo selector is used to target specific elements based on their order among siblings of the same type. Use the pseudo selector to target the third TD element within your total table rows. Okay. I'm going to mess this one up. Of type TD. That's not right. Padding 0.5 rem. Alright, yeah. I messed this all up. So this should be TR.total TD nth of type 3, and that's where we select. Okay. Give your TR total elements a hover effect that changes the background to how do I do that? I forget what we have to put to do that. TR.total. Oh, that's how we do it. Hover. And then it's got to be background color. Okay. Select your TD elements with the class value of current. TD. How do we do that? Class equals current. I think this should be TR and then TD. And then that. Make the font italic. And I don't think it's just font. something else. Oh, wait a second. That doesn't make sense. td.current font style. Select the TR elements of the class set to data. Give them a background image of linear gradient to bottom. Okay. TR elements with the class set to data. TR, let's see if it works this time. Give them a background image. Wait, am I supposed to type this whole thing? Okay. Step 62. Select the TH elements within your TR data elements. TH, I think that's what we do. Align the text to the left. Text align left. Padding top. Padding left. Let's see if I can do this with no mistakes this time. Got him. Alright, create a TR data th.description selector. To target the elements with the class set to description that are within your TH elements and your .data table rows. That's not, I don't think this is right, but display block, text, I don't know, font style, italic, font weight, normal, padding 1 rem, and margin right. So my selector's not correct here. Yeah, tr.data, th. Okay, so this needs a space. Did I spell description correct? Yeah, there we go. Alright, your span elements now all have more specific styling, which means you can remove your span rule. Your dollar amounts are currently misaligned. I was noticing that. Create a selector to target the TD elements within your tr.data. Vertically align the text to the top. Align. No, text align. Vertical? I don't think that's right. That is not right. tr.data td should have a vertical align. Okay, I didn't know that we could do that. Vertical align set to top. And then padding set to 0.3 rem, 0.25 rem, 0. Nope. Nope. Alright, it all looks good now. Nice. Okay, create another selector for the TD elements within your tr.data. But specifically select the last one. Give this a right padding of 0.5 rem. Then this is not right because it's not selecting the right one. So tr.data td. And then we gotta do last of type. Alright guys, and that is our completed balance sheet. That is our completed balance sheet. So I will see you guys for the next start of the next project on the next one. Thank you guys for hanging out. Bye.